Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are discussing keys in DBMS. So basically what are keys? So these are basically the attributes. So what is attribute? So here in this table each column is identified by the first column, that is Aadhaar name, phone number and address. Okay. So all these column represents attribute. Okay. So attribute or a set of attributes that uniquely identify each record in the table, that is known as keys. So super key. Super key, it is basically the combination of all the keys, because all the keys are super keys. For example, it is a primary key of the table and it is a alternate key. So alternate key, primary key, all are the super keys. So okay, it may be a one key or the set of all the keys. Okay. You can also say that it is a universal set of keys. Okay. Talking about candidate key, it is a minimal set of super key. uh what about this means? It means that we have identified super keys of all the column, है ना? So minimal set that identify each record uniquely is known as candidate keys. For example, Aadhaar card may be unique for all the person, phone number may be unique for all the person. So Aadhaar card and phone number are the candidate keys. Okay. Then primary keys the selected candidate keys. So from the candidate key, Aadhaar and phone number, we select one. Okay, so that one will be our primary key. Okay, then we have the alternate key. Alternate keys are those keys which are not chosen as a primary key. The leftover keys. Here the table Aadhaar name is chosen as primary key. So the leftover keys are alternate keys. Okay. So here uh, here is the relation also, that the candidate key is equal to primary key plus alternate key. Okay. Oh, coming forward, here it is a foreign key. So foreign key represent the primary key of another table. There are two tables. A foreign key is used to link these two tables. Okay, so here is the primary key and the whole green column is the primary key, and here is another table and it is a primary key. So primary key is referenced as a foreign key when it is linked to the another table. For example, this here roll number are equal columns, so this foreign key is related to the primary key of another table. Okay, that is basically. So what is a composite key? The composite key with the primary key is used to identify the row. For example, a column has a primary key. For example, this column has a primary key roll number, but roll number is not sufficient. Okay, so we will take another key also, make them whole as a primary key, are known as composite keys. Okay, unique keys basically are the types of primary key, but the difference is they allow null value but primary key do not. And surrogate keys are those keys which okay incremented automatically. Then there is a secondary key is basically not for the uniquely identification, it's just for the searching purpose. Okay, so this all the key concept is done. I hope you guys really understand well.